Hey folks, I have a tenor to show you today. This is the third one that looks like this. I built one last winter for a customer, and then I had two folks ask for copies. And I have one more set of wood that matches, so somebody else could have one too. The top is some beautiful redwood salvaged from a boat shop, and the back and sides are mahogany from the same boat shop. And this was just like a weird end of the plank that actually had some curl to it and weird grain. And it was just a scrap at the end, and I ended up, glad I saved it. And the neck is the same mahogany. And then it's got really crazy grafted wild pistachio with my homemade rope binding here. And I really like this combo because it's like rich and dark, but it's snappy. Yeah, so that's number 837. Number 3 in a series, I guess, and maybe someday there'll be a number 4. Cheers.